Ready to ditch those crazy phone bills and jump into affordable wireless freedom with Mint Mobile on your iPhone 11. First, grab your Mint Mobile SIM card kit and your iPhone 11. You will also need the SIM ejector tool or a paper clip that came with your iPhone. Locate the SIM tray on the right side of your iPhone. Gently insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply a little pressure until the tray pops open. Pull the tray out completely. Now, carefully place the Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray, making sure it fits snugly and aligns correctly with the notch. Push the SIM tray back into your iPhone 11 until it clicks into place. Next, head over to the App Store and search for the Mint Mobile app. Download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Follow the on-screen activation instructions. You'll likely need your Mint Mobile account information. The app will guide you through setting up your data and ensuring your iPhone 11 connects to the Mint Mobile network. Once the setup is complete, test your service by making a call or browsing the internet. And that's it. You are now set up with Mint Mobile on your iPhone 11. Get ready to enjoy savings and great service. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.